Hello, good morning. Today we are just going to learn the next topic, a treat for mosquitoes, in it anemia. The main aim of this topic is to learn about the anemia, its symptoms, and how to stop that. Some of the key words are red blood cells, that is RBC, hemoglobin, HB. What is anemia? Anemia is the less amount of hemoglobin or iron, we call them as the minerals, in the blood, which just causes anemia. So the less amount of hemoglobin in our blood, it just causes anemia. So what is the normal range? We can say about the normal range is 12 to 16 gram per dl. So anemia means the low amount of red blood cells. The low amount of red blood cells. So we have just already studied in the previous topic in malaria. So how is it mosquitoes, they are just causing malaria? When a person is having malaria, we can say about the mosquitoes who has just got the parasite in a body, and when this mosquito it just bite a healthy person, this parasite is just transmitted into their blood, that is thereby it just rupture the red blood cells, and it causes, when we just look at we can say about when we just look their blood under the microscope, we can just see that the parasite is just residing in the blood, thereby it just causes the malaria. So we can say about when the malarial parasite enters the blood and enters the RBC, it affects the RBC and thereby it causes anemia. What are the main causes of anemia? Excessive bleeding, leaky gut, low stomach acid, iron deficiency, B12 deficiency, folate deficiency, poor diet, chronic disease, intestinal disorders, infection, kidney disease, liver disease, thyroid disease, pregnancy, then autoimmunity. All these causes anemia. What are the symptoms of anemia? What are the symptoms of anemia? Some of the symptoms of anemia are fatigue, that means very tired. We feel that we are tired all the time. Weakness, our face is pale or yellowish skin. Fatigue, weakness, pale or yellowish skin. Irregular heartbeat. Irregular heartbeat, or sometimes it's very fast. Shortness of the breath. So when we just walk, we will not be able to walk and we just feel like we are not able to breathe properly. Dizziness. That means we feel like very tired. Talakarakam. Chest pain. Cold hands and feet. Headache. These are some of the symptoms of anemia. So when we just look at the blood of a person who is having anemia, we can say that in the normal blood they will be having many red blood cells. They will be having many red blood cells and normal HB's hemoglobin, whereas in the anemic blood we can say about the less amount of RBC and low HB. Low HB. So what are the precautions we can just do? What are the things we can just do to just avoid this anemic? Get enough iron. Get enough iron. So for that we have to take the food which is rich in the iron source, which is rich in the iron source. So we have to eat excellent or the good amount of the fruits and fruits, vegetables, nuts. We have to take it which just contain lots of iron content in them. So for this, meat is an excellent source of iron. Meat we can say. Then we can say about the green leafy vegetables, gooseberry, the pomegranate, dates, all these things if we take regularly, we can say the folic acid, those tablets also we can say, which help us to increase the iron in our the blood. So vitamin C also helps to absorb the iron when taken together. Okay, so I hope so you all understood this topic. Okay, thank you.